This is Benny, a little bear with a very, very big temper. And right now, he's all alone. But how did this happen? Let's find out. In a cozy forest full of berry bushes and sunshine, Benny had the two best friends in the whole world. There was Daisy, the softest little rabbit, and Finn, the most playful little fox you ever saw. They did everything together. One morning, Benny and Daisy were picking berries, but Benny wanted all the red ones. "Those are mine," he growled, and then he roared, a big, loud, angry roar. Daisy's ears went flat, her eyes went wide, and she went away as fast as she could. "Wait," said Benny, "I didn't mean to." But Daisy was already gone. Benny felt a little bad, but he shook it off. "It's fine," he told himself. "I still have Finn." That afternoon, Benny and Finn were building a dam by the stream. Sticks and pebbles all lined up just right. But one stick wouldn't stay. Benny tried once, twice, 3 times, and then smash! He knocked the whole thing down with one angry paw. "Hey," said Finn, "we worked so hard on that." Finn looked at Benny, and his ears drooped. "I don't want to play with you when you're like this," Finn said quietly, and he walked away. Now Benny had no friends left. Not one. Benny sat on a big rock by the stream, all by himself. The forest felt very, very quiet. He looked at his own reflection in the water, and he didn't like what he saw. "Why do I always get so angry?" he whispered. "Why can't I just stop?" Then a gentle voice came from above. "Because anger is a feeling, Benny, and feelings aren't bad." It was Olive, the wise little owl, sitting on a branch above him. "The feeling isn't the problem," she said softly. "It's what you do with it." "But what can I do?" asked Benny. Olive smiled. "You can feel it, name it, and breathe through it. Like this." Benny closed his eyes. "I feel angry," he said quietly. "Good," said Olive. "Now breathe in, slowly." Benny took a deep, deep breath in, and breathe out. "Let it go." And as he breathed out, something wonderful happened. The angry feeling didn't disappear, but it got smaller and softer, and he could think again. Benny found Daisy and Finn sitting together by the berry bush. His paws were shaking, but he took one more deep breath and spoke. "I'm sorry I roared at you, Daisy, and I'm sorry I broke our dam, Finn. I get really angry sometimes, and I didn't know how to stop, but I'm learning." Daisy looked at Finn. Finn looked at Daisy, and slowly, they both smiled. And there they sat, all 4 friends together in the warm sunshine. Benny still felt angry sometimes. That was okay. Everyone does. But now, when the angry feeling came, he would stop and breathe and think, because being angry doesn't make you bad, but learning to be gentle with your feelings, that makes you very, very brave. That's today's Nithi. Emotional strength.
next time.